It focuses on current topics and is the marketplace for innovative technologies. The CCE 2019 in Munich, the leading international trade fair for the corrugated board and folding box industry. The major topics this year are digitization and the individualization of production solutions.
Well, as always, I see in the market efficiency, looking for efficiency, how to produce with cost-effective solutions, and at the same time, everybody looking how to bring extra value to their customers. So the combination of digital printing on this last topic is very, very interesting. How to combine efficient way to bring more value to the customers.
155 exhibitors from 23 countries, on 5,000 square meters of net exhibition space, and more than 2,400 visitors from 79 countries. CCE is Europe's largest and only trade fair specifically aimed at specialists in the production and processing of corrugated board and folding boxes. I'm here at the fair because it's a very strong trade fair. Here the wheat separates from the chaff. It's almost only trade visitors, and that makes the fair very interesting for us.
All important companies are there, so it makes sense to come always.
We find it very interesting, and we always come to see what's on offer and what's new. I like it very much. There is a broad spectrum of exhibitors represented, and interesting machines and products, so it's worth it. The industry is booming, thanks to the trend towards recyclable and sustainable packaging, and online retailing. With online shopping, everything is digitized. You buy it, but somehow you have to deliver it, and you have to pack your goods. And that's exactly what the platform here is. And I think that's why the fair is getting bigger, with more and more competent people. Important trends are discussed every day in free specialist seminars. Experts talk about the main topics of digital printing, sustainability, and innovative processing technologies.
The industry is moving quite fast, and so it's important for us to see what we should do and what we need to improve on our machines. Talk to the customers, have a good collaboration together with them.
Customer contacts, technical discussions and innovations. CCE is and remains the industry meeting place every 2 years.
The industry sector is currently booming, and we have a sustainable, environmentally friendly material, so fulfilling all consumer demands. With the current trend of online retail shopping, which is a massive growth sector, there is a great demand for more packaging solutions.
The digital future of the international corrugated board and folding box industry, to be seen again at CCE International in Munich from the 9th to the 11th of March 2021.